Hi, welcome to practicing solving percents in word problems. As we look at our first problem, Eric downloads a coupon for 12% at Gadgets Galore. He buys a digital camera for $95 and an extra battery for $16. What is the discount total after the coupon is applied? Our first goal is to figure out how much Eric spent, because the coupon is going to be off his total spent. So we have $95 for the camera and $16 for the extra battery, so he's going to spend $111. We use our equation y is equal to kx, where k is the percent as a decimal. Y in this problem is going to be the discount amount, and K is going to be the total of the purchase. We are looking for our discount amount. The K is going to be 12 hundredths. 12% written as a decimal means that we take the decimal point and we move it 2 places to the left, which gives me 12 hundredths. We can think about Dr. Pepper. When you're in the percent version of a number, to move to the decimal version, you move 2 places to the left. My total purchase is $111. Since my missing value is on the left side, my problem tells me to take 12 hundredths times $111. Please pause your video to do your multiplication and then press play to check your work. Eric's discount will be $13.32. Eric will save $13.32. The question, when we go back to our problem, is what is the discount total? So we're going to take the $111 and we're going to subtract the discount that we are receiving, which is actually $13.60. Sorry about that. $111 minus $13.32. $97.68 will be his total after the coupon. As we look at our next problem, it tells us that Francis earns a weekly salary of $475. Plus a commission of 5.5% on sales at a gift shop. How much would he earn in a week if he sold $700 in products? So again, y is equal to kx. The y is always the part that we're looking for. So y is the commission. The k is the percent as a decimal, and the x is the whole or total amount. Now our salary is our salary. It's how much we get paid no matter what happens. So the whole that we're going to use, or the total, is going to be how much he sold, since that's what his commission is based on. 5.5% of his sales, and we sold $700. So we'll replace the x with 700. The percent, 5.5%, changes to 0.055. We're looking for the commission, so we're going to multiply our two numbers together. Please pause your video to do your multiplication and check your answer. His amount of commission is going to be $38.50. Now when we go back to our problem, our question asks, how much would he earn if he sold $700 in goods? So to figure out his earnings for that week, we take the $475 and we add the $38.50 in commission. His total pay for the week is going to be $513.50. The last problem that we're going to work on today talks about the Weaver family going to dinner and spending $52.75. They had great service, so they tipped their server 18%. What was the Weavers' total cost for dinner? Y equals KX. Y this time is going to be the tip amount. Again, the K is the percent as a decimal. And the X is the total bill. We're looking for the tip. The percent, 18% to a decimal is 1800ths. The total cost of the food was $52.75. Please pause your video to do the multiplication. The Weavers are going to leave a tip of $9.50. When we look at the answer we get, our decimal version of money can only have 2 digits behind the decimal. So when we cut it off at the second digit, we look at the third digit, which is a 5. Since it's a 5, it's going to round the 9 up. Well, since the 9 is going to round up, it's going to end up rounding the number in the tens place. So $9.50 is the tip. When we look back at the problem, the question asks, what is the total cost for dinner? Their total cost for dinner is going to be the $52.75 for the food, plus the $9.50 for the tip, which brings us to a grand total of $62.25. If your amount is somehow off just a little bit, you might have rounded or not rounded the $9.49. If you didn't, you probably got $62.24. Please ask your teacher if you have any other questions.